Good day, investors. Thank you for joining us for the final part of our Hempcrete Innovation Project. Our group is proud to present our sustainable solution to one of South Africa's biggest construction challenges, the need for safer, more affordable, and eco-friendly building materials. Today we'll walk you through our Hempcrete brick prototype, how it was developed and tested, why it has strong potential as a viable small business venture. We'll also share insights from our lead user research, highlight feedback from testing, and show our business model and sustainability approach. Position Hempcrete as the future of construction in South Africa. Today and together, we believed this innovation can build not just stronger structures, but a greener and more inclusive future.
Moving on to the challenges that the hemp-based solution will address. The first one is sustainability. The South African construction industry is emphasizing sustainable and eco-friendly office buildings. There is a goal to engender a system-wide behavioral change for better sustainable outcomes. Hemp is recognized as a natural resource for producing energy-efficient, sustainable products. Hemp is a construction company focused on building sustainable offices with hemp-based materials. The project intends to eliminate chemical-based materials and address climate change issues. Hempcrete aspires to set new construction standards in South Africa, advocating for hemp as a viable building material. The initiative aims to lower carbon footprints and support local hemp farmers. Global warming and pollution. Carbon footprint encompasses all greenhouse gases produced by human activities. Building materials like concrete and steel are significant contributors to carbon emissions, leading to global warming and carbon pollution. Sustainable resources such as hemp can help reduce carbon emissions in office buildings. Hempcrete is designed to create sustainable office buildings that minimize energy consumption and reduce carbon footprints. Unemployment. South Africa is experiencing increasing unemployment issues as noted by Philae 2025. The introduction of Hempcrete aims to create job opportunities for future construction workers. The project will assist South African farmers in selling hemp crops. It targets the generation of employment for unemployed graduates aspiring to be architects, site agents, and property developers. Hempcrete is expected to reduce the unemployment rate and produce job opportunities for individuals seeking unskilled labor. The initiative aims to help people support their families through employment. Refining the original hemp-based solution. Hempcrete is an affordable, sustainable building material for the construction industry. It aids in reducing the environmental footprint of construction practices. The installation of hempcrete creates job opportunities for unemployed individuals. Hempcrete consists of a lime-based binder combined with the hemp plant core, resulting in a non-toxic, eco-friendly brick. It presents an economical way to construct office buildings while ensuring safety and minimizing environmental impact. Moving on to the hemp being a desirable, feasible, and viable product, hemp is an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative building material in the construction industry. Hempcrete is economically viable, reducing costs while utilizing natural resources and making it suitable for sustainable office construction. Its durability, including resistance to pests, mold, and fire, leads to lower maintenance and repair costs, extending building lifespan. The easy availability of hemp supports local economies by benefiting farmers and transport businesses without long waiting time. Hempcrete meets standard building requirements and is easy to apply, leading to reduced labor costs and shorter construction times. Environmentally, hempcrete helps combat climate change by minimizing greenhouse gas emissions linked to traditional practices. The material enhances energy efficiency in buildings by regulating temperature, and excess material can be stored, reducing construction waste. What we are looking at here is an infographic demographic of the prototype of the hempcrete brick. So we are aware that the hempcrete brick is strong but lightweight. It is used by a natural plant called hemp. Another natural resource has been used, which is water. The hempcrete brick reduces carbon footprint. It is highly breathable. It is energy efficient, it is recyclable, and there's excellent insulation. We are aware that the hempcrete brick is also appropriate for the temperature. So if these office buildings were built using the hempcrete brick, we know that it will be able to deal with the climate change in South Africa. We are looking at the given feedback by the lead users in this infographic. We are aware that there are two users that we have created, which is the architect and the construction site agent. Moving on to the architect, the design for the brick is suitable enough for use. The strength of the brick will last longer. Natural resources from the brick eliminate carbon footprint. This is the feedback from the architect. Moving on to the construction site agent, it is an eco-friendly brick indeed, temperature friendly, helps with climate change in South Africa. The tools and techniques used are unique. The only challenge is the temperature change, which is hemp not being able to function well in sunlight or humidity.
Our hempcrete brick prototype works because it directly tackles South Africa's biggest construction problems, which is high cost, carbon emissions, and unsafe materials. First, it's made from hemp lime, making it lightweight, non-toxic, and carbon negative, reducing harm to workers and the planet. Second, it's environmentally sustainable. Hemp grows fast, needs little water, and absorbs C2O. Third, it creates jobs for farmers and builders by promoting local production. Fourth, there's a growing demand for green building materials, giving our products strong market potential. Finally, our business model is scalable and innovative, using a circular economy approach that reuses hemp for bricks, furniture, and panels. Together, these points show that hempcrete is not just a product, it's a sustainable solution shaping the future of South African construction.